In a quiet village clinic, the weight of memory settles like dense fog on the heart. A nurse named Anna uses a natural approach, blending lavender tea, chamomile, daily grounding walks, and a short meditation to ease this heaviness. Her case study follows a patient who carries guilt from a past accident. Through herbal infusions, journaling prompts, and mindful breath, nights soften and mornings feel lighter. Over weeks, he learns to name memories without letting them define him, transforming weight into a cue to rest and heal. Viewers are invited to try safe, nature-based practices and seek support when needed.